김밥 만들 중. 이 정도면 잘 만든 것 같아. 일단은 먹고 좋아 좋아. 먹을래. 난 처음부터 소스를 넣을 거가 있네.
Okay, I'm walking. And I was like, okay, I think I'm walking in the wrong direction. What are you going to take?
Red smoothie and
I'm so bad in deciding.
actually with you, I took a long before you come here.
So like we decided to do it yesterday.
Oh,
And
really?
so I'm so keen for it because
Yeah.
I really have to. I need some holidays.
Actually, I think I'm going to Paris next week. Yeah.
So good that you travel so much. Like it's so awesome. Like it's the best way of doing it. Like if you're here, you have to enjoy everything.
Yes. So actually, I really wanted to see. I mean, look around Germany, other cities, especially southern part cities. You know, but
Have you been there?
not
No,
yet.
not yet, no.
So.
I got like your Christmas present.
Oh my God! Really?
It's really small. Like it's nothing big. Because I got the idea and it's like it's something small. But it's okay.
What is this? Can I open?
Yes.
Thank you so much, really.
I hope that you like it. I'm gonna explain it to you because it's like I think that you really take a lot of pictures, photography, right? And so that's like it's something, but you have to do it. Like it's like a photo book. Like I took some of like some places or stuff, and you have to make like a photo and put it inside. And you can go to DM, you know it, like
DM?
Yes.
Yeah.
They can print out the photos, so you can make like an own photo book of your memories here. Yes, so like in this way you can decide which memories you want.
Awesome.
So like I see I forgot it on every page. I'm sorry. Just put like the photo on top.
No, it's okay. Did you write this yourself? So this one is not it's not an album, but you made it.
Yes. So like it's like I think with the money you can take all of the photos. So you can.
To give money to.
No, I think it's because like otherwise it's like I think it's always not so nice giving a gift and then you have to like put money into it.
Yes. Now I got a reason to print my photos. I just postponed it to do it so
Now you
long.
have to do it.
Yeah, now I have to do it.
So nice. Looks like a cocktail.
Yeah.
Bitte achten Sie beim Verlassen des Zuges darauf, Ihre persönlichen Gegenstände mitzunehmen. Vielen Dank.
Hey. What is that?
Red drink. It says red drink.
Bro, drink?
I think it will be fine, right?
Will be fine?
Actually, I don't know.
이사를 시작한 지 2주째인데 아직도 덜 끝났대요. 아직도 끝날 기미가 보이지 않습니다. Why? Waiting it. Why?
Done.
Where's the handle?
There's handle somewhere. We need to like screw them on. Somewhere. So this is Queen, King.
Yeah.
And this one was
Hole.
like, let's say you make the first move, I make the first move. You can eat me diagonally with your, like this. Then it's your piece. So this one, the bishop, for example, you can capture like this. Diagonally. This one, like this.
Yeah.
And the king, he can go all the directions, but can go only one, like this. Because he's old and fat, maybe that's, you can only move one like this. And then you move your bishop, right, diagonally.
Yeah.
See, you move here.
Yeah.
Now you say check.
Check.
Because my queen, my king, sorry, is under attack, see? Because you can...
Yeah.
So now I'm like, oh, it's check, I should do something.
Huh?
The queen is more worth than this bishop.
Mm-hmm.
So I would not like sacrifice my queen. Then because obviously you would kill my queen because it's worth it, you know? I can protect with my bishop. So then you can just move it out of the way, or you can say, okay, I sacrifice, I take bishop for bishop if you want to. So you kill my bishop, and then I say, okay, with my queen, then we exchange, you know? Now I can eat it, but now it's your turn. Obviously, like, eating my pawn would be not smart. Because if you take my pawn and just eat it, and this one is, obviously it's more worth. So,
So difficult.
so then what you can do, are you sure? Look at my pieces, look at this guy, where he's standing and where he can go.
Oh. Can I change?
Sure, so you, like for the future development, you know? Look what's under attack.
Did you say queen can go everywhere?
Everywhere, yeah. You can check me with your queen, if you look closely.
What if I catch with this with your king?
Huh? I will do something, and then you can see how you can checkmate me.
No.
No? Okay.
Blue pants and red socks. Not red, orange socks.
안 돼. 아이. This will work.
Did you eat mango?
No.
But it's open.
I don't know. Yeah, I did because I was waiting for you. I needed energy for this. It was difficult. Struggling so much. Hopefully it will work. I don't think it will work. It will just, like last time, it will burn away and then...
Yes. I think it will work.
Yeah, it's just the paper in the back there. No, please.
Oopsie.
See? It died because of you.
No, not because of me.
Passion died. Burns strong for good and very fast, and it's over. Yeah, see, it's like a metaphor. I mean, this part is just not wallpaper.
Yeah.
Oh, it started running a little bit, but okay.
Is that just old stick?
This one? No, it's like a match, but it's a really long match.
Okay, second try.
We have enough wallpapers. Give me this.
What did you put inside?
Put in the hole. See? Notice from the start, just put the whole fucking thing in there.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Can you do that? You cannot, push it down. My God.
Well, that's how you do it. You just turn it around. Almost broke it.
Yum.
Oh, look. Too fire.
Sing.
Night night, Isabel.
What are we toasting to? I heard it's bad, like
Without it?
omen, just thing and then don't say anything.
Oh, really?
So you should say
Say
lechaim.
Lehigh?
Lechaim.
Lehigh.
For on live. Really sweet.
Right?
Wow.
Isn't it amazing that people make this stop motion?
They are family.
Yes, it's so much work.
Yeah.
Need some fresh air.
To show like how pathetic it looks like this.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Oh.
Oh no. Why? Oh, it was clean. Now it's not clean anymore. So I have to go a little bit lower. Hey.
Let me take a video, something fun.
Okay, I hope no more fun. I want to hit it this time. Like it needs to be.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
So here's 6 holes.
Oh my gosh.
Already looks like hot dog. Wow.
Why is mine not holding together and falling apart?
I think this one is like
Huh?
I spread one.
Spread it too much and it ripped.
Yes.
You rip things constantly.
Okay.
Would be no chance. prepare better next time.
And when it gets warmer, it's too windy. It looks nice. Oh, it looks like going into the black hole.
This one again?
Why are you scratching your butt?
I just saw my mask and I checked in my butt pocket. There's my mask.
Where's the mist? I've never tried it. Bored.
Your starting point.
Okay.
Starting point.
Woo!
So,
So,
what you want to do? Put 1 foot
1 foot
like this. Okay.
this way,
Mm.
left.
Okay, then you have to stand here. Put left one. Then right one behind it.
Oh,
You have to kind of like.
How can I change the direction?
You have to lean. If you go, then you can lean this way. But it's like really slow.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Yes, I'm coming.